Am I the asshole for buying my cousin's dream car to prove a point? I don't know what else to do. Okay, you guys know I do a bunch of story times, and a majority of them come from Reddit or from viewer submissions that you guys send to me. I always source it out, but yet so many people think these stories are about me, and I have all these life events that I can share with you guys. Not possible. My life is not that interesting. This most recent one that I posted about a 26-year-old girl who works at a fast food franchise, buys a Tesla Model X. Am I the asshole for marrying my sister's baby daddy? I, 36-year-old female, and my sister, 29 female, got pregnant when she was 18 years old. I'm infertile and knew I couldn't have kids, so when my sister said she was giving her baby up for adoption, I decided to be her mom. My sister went no contact 5 months after giving birth. For a bit of background, my sister got pregnant by a one-night stand, and she apparently didn't remember or know the father at the time of birth, but when my daughter V was born, a man T, 35, messaged me on social media claiming to be the father of my child. My sister had run into him at a club and drunkenly confessed to the pregnancy. We met up, he bonded with his daughter, and well, that man is now my husband of 7 years. Coming back to my sister, she called me yesterday. Although I was surprised at her call, I picked up. We made some small talk, and then she said she had just gotten married a year back and both of them wanted children but couldn't because her husband was infertile but really wanted kids. I asked her if she wanted to adopt, and she said no. Am I the asshole for ruining my niece's birth over a name? I, 29 female, was pregnant with twins a few years ago. Unfortunately, only one baby survived, a little boy who we called Henry, and my daughter who passed, we called her Daphne. My sister and I were close growing up, but we drifted apart. There was a rivalry on her part after I met my partner. For example, she hated that we got engaged before her. She has been with her partner for 3+ more years, and she threw a fit saying she wouldn't attend our wedding unless she was engaged too. So they got engaged, and threw an engagement party the night before my wedding. When I announced my pregnancy, she wasn't happy, as I'd done another thing before her, but when my daughter died, she seemed to be a lot nicer. Because of this change, we made her Henry's godparent. She became pregnant recently and refused to announce the name until a few. Am I the asshole for tracking my husband's sleep pattern? My husband and I recently got into a big argument about our sleeping habits. My husband is a big time snorer. When we first moved in together, I thought it was cute, so I didn't say anything. But now that it happens every night, I've been getting a bit frustrated. I try to tell him he snores, but he thinks I'm joking and brushes it off. He goes to sleep first, and by the time I go to bed, his snoring is in full effect. I decided to take